Hello, McKay Photo Tours and Photo Enthusiast Network friends. Hey, we are out here in Ouray, Colorado again. Amazing morning. It's cold, but it is beautiful. And you can see the reflections that we're getting here and how amazing they are. And I wanted to show you, oh, look, there's Tim Scott down there. Look at that reflection. One of our instructors. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys something that I'm doing here as far as that's what I wanted to show you, my lovely wife Allie. Say hi, Allie. Hi, Allie. Oh. All right, I wanted to show you something here. So we have the whole scene, and basically what happens is we decide to photograph and get photographs of the whole scene, which is, of course, just absolutely stunning. But if you look down right in the reflections themselves, there's some ice down there, but it's almost like a watercolor painting, and it can just be really incredible to come in super tight. So I've got my long lens. This is the 100 to 500, and what I'm going to do is I'm picking areas that there's some nice contrast in the water. I'm just isolating, really getting in nice and tight on areas. And again, it's just the reflection. It's almost, again, like a watercolor. It kind of reminds me of kind of reminds me of a Bob Ross painting where, we're just in tight, incredible details in the water here. And the reason I wanted to bring this quick tutorial is just basically a lot of times we see these whole scenes, but we forget to isolate it little areas. And when there's reflections, especially when it's a nice calm morning like this, isolating these little areas can just be really, really stunning and storytelling.